Many thanks for joining. This is Breakfast Central on News Central. Now, let's give you some COVID-19 update. Now, Egypt's Ministry of Health and Population has announced the arrival of over 1.842 million doses of the Pfizer coronavirus vaccine provided by the U.S. government through the COVAX mechanism in cooperation with the International Alliance for Vaccines, Gavi. Now, according to a statement by the ministry, the shipment arrived at the Cairo International Airport and will be subject to analysis in the laboratories of the Egyptian Drug Authority before distributing them to vaccination centers across the country.
Well, the Pfizer vaccine has actually emerged or used for approval, has gotten the emergency use for approval from the World Health Organization and the Egyptian Drug Authority, which is 2 doses separated by 21 days. Egypt aims to vaccinate 40 million people by September as it plans to diversify and expand the provision of coronavirus vaccines in order to preserve the state's gains in addressing the pandemic. Well, that's the latest coming from Egypt and also from Africa. But let's quickly give you the index for today as at now. According to Africa Center for Disease Control, the continent has reported over 10.7 million cases with over 236,000 deaths, and not forgetting to over 9.5 million recoveries. And there you have it, the latest coming all the way concerning COVID-19 updates. Well, besides that, Oluchi, a lot of people are starting to think right now that the booster shots are or should be recommended. And that's what a lot of countries are starting to look into. Listen, it's not going to be a case of comme ci, comme ça, a case of should I not. It should be recommended, and we would look forward to see what countries will actually recommend as well, especially here in the western part of Africa. Now,
we know already in Nigeria, Lagos State, for example, they've started encouraging people to get their booster shot 6 months after the second dose. And we know a lot of people have been coming out to get their vaccines as well.